Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Chang and Yoon's fortune harmony. At the request of the subscriber, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Chang and Yoon. The two of them had clear similarities and differences. Do you think their differences are in harmony? This analysis is not real, but fortune analysis that if they two meet, they will have this love. On the left is Chang's fortune, and on the right is Yoon's fortune. But the two of them have the same words that mean themselves. It's a negative tree. Negative trees are adaptable everywhere and consider harmony more important than self-promoting. And it's very delicate. It is a beautiful and lovely thing to compare to flowers. Chang also has two more words that have the same energy as himself. It has excellent physical intelligence, so it has an edge in dance and physical activity. Yoon's physical intelligence is not very good, but she is artistic. So even though she is not powerful, she seems to have a good dance line. The heart shape means popularity. Chang has 3 letters. Yoon also has 1. And negative tree itself is lovely and beautiful, and the letters mean popularity. So they have to be conspicuous, lovely, and popular everywhere. Among them, Chang is a very charming fortune. Just looking at Chang, it's all right to at least look at him. The following red-bound letters represent the artistry of expressing themselves by emitting their energy. Both of them are amazing. It's full of artistry and their heart is overflowing to express themselves. But Chang on the left, the letters that express himself are located at the top. So the artistry is well apparent. In other words, it is well expressed in language ability, speaking ability, and acting ability. And these letters are fire energy. And Chang has all the word letters that correspond to the sun and the moon. Therefore, he is shining day and night and everywhere. That's cool. Chang has the same energy as himself except for the letters tied in red letters. In other words, it consists of only 2 types of energy: his own energy and his energy that expresses himself. It means that he expresses himself by burning his everything and overflowing with artistic talent. It's like a fortune born solely for acting, and very passionate. He has no energy to control his burning desire. Therefore, close people should tell Chang to rest and take time to recharge. Otherwise, Chang will devote his life to acting. Yoon on the right has a low energy level. This case is more about creativity and passion for life than language ability. Among language abilities, she is good at speaking, but she is not a talkative person. It's because the energy that represents her is located at the bottom. And Yoon manages her passion well because she has the energy to control herself. We looked at the part of their fortunes, the part about speech and language skills. Both of them have something in common, that they are passionate, but one is overflowing and the other is well controlled. But They are both wonderful people who are burning their love for acting and art. The part marked in blue is their feelings for their spouse. Ji Chang-wook on the left thinks his spouse and girlfriend are like friends. He wants a lady like a friend, a girlfriend like a friend. Yoon on the right thinks a lot that she wants to give her love and take care of him. Although they two are slightly different, they seem like friends, and loving and care for each other still works well. And Yoon has two letters for man right next to the letter. That points to herself. Isn't it natural for Yoon, who is so beautiful? But there is a slight conflict with the letter right next to it. This means developing conflicts of opinion and so on, rather than a fight. Since Ji Chang-wook considers his spouse or girlfriend equally like a friend, there could be a healthy conflict of opinions, right? Looking at the fortunes of both Ji Chang-wook and Yoon, I can imagine their passion for acting and their development through exchange of opinions. In this regard, they also look good together, and it means that both of them are as cute as intuitive. It's more than attractive. They may have recognized each other before they could even see their fortunes. Perhaps no one knows what kind of relationship they developed while filming the same drama, but would not they be more than good friends with similar passions? And guess carefully. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.